ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायण 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 नारायण। ओम श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्री हरिये नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा। गजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननम् अगर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तम् उपास्महे। ॐ श्री महागणपतये नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्री हयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ॐ श्री महासरस्वत्यै नमः। पीताम्बरकरविराजितशङ्खचक्र कौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशं हृदि भावयामि। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। मोक्षाब्धिसारम्य भागवताख्यदध्नोः नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयोघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणा अवनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। न भोग्यवस्तूनि न नाकपृष्ठं न सिद्धिलाभं परमीशकाङ्क्षे प्रसन्नमन्दस्मितसुन्दरं ते मुखाम्बुलं दर्शय सन्ततं मे। श्रीहरये नमः। सान्द्रानन्दावबोधात्मकम् अनुपमिदं कालदेशावधिभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्तभाग्यं जनानाम्। श्रीहरे नमः। Okay, we'll start with the 11th one. This is a from this we will be starting. Till now what we had learnt was all about the Srishti. Okay, how Srishti happened, what all happened, all those things we learned. From this 11th one we will start with the Bhagavan's avatars. So here the first the Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu, how they come. Okay, so this is like a prelude to that, to this incarnation, especially how Bhagavan's Varaha avataram, the reasons behind it and everything. Okay, and about the Varaha avataram. So this 11th one is like a prelude to it. What are the things that happened before all these before these avatarams had to come up. Okay, so that is what it is. So we'll see this 11th dashakam, again mokshabdi ragam only. Okay. Why did it not open? Okay. Okay, now I opened it, right. Who can actually repeat? Deepti ji?
Yes, I can repeat.
Same mokshabdi ragam only, okay? क्रमेण सर्गे परिवर्धमाने
क्रमेण सर्गे परिवर्धमाने क्रमेण सर्गे परिवर्धमाने
कदापि दिव्यासनकादयस्ते
कदापि दिव्यासनकादयस्ते कदापि दिव्यासनकादयस्ते
भवद्विलोकाय विकुण्ठलोकम्
भवद्विलोकाय विकुण्ठलोकम् भवद्विलोकाय विकुण्ठलोकम्
प्रपेदिरे मारुतमन्दिरेश
प्रपेदिरे मारुतमन्दिरेश प्रपेदिरे मारुतमन्दिरेश
वेरी नाइस क्रमेण सर्गे परिवर्धमाने कदापि दिव्यासनकादयस्ते
क्रमेण सर्गे परिवर्धमाने कदापि दिव्यासनकादयस्ते क्रमेण सर्गे परिवर्धमाने कदापि दिव्यासनकादयस्ते
वेरी नाइस भवद्विलोकाय विकुण्ठलोकम् प्रपेदिरे मारुतमन्दिरेश
भवद्विलोकाय विकुण्ठलोकम् प्रपेदिरे मारुतमन्दिरेश
वेरी नाइस
भवद्विलोकाय विकुण्ठलोकम् प्रपेदिरे मारुतमन्दिरेश
wonderful both lines together
okay क्रमेण सर्गे परिवर्धमाने कदापि दिव्यासनकादयस्ते भवद्विलोकाय विकुण्ठलोकम् प्रपेदिरे मारुतमन्दिरेश
very nice next who is there ma Kamala ji
yes ma'am क्रमेण सर्गे परिवर्धमाने कदापि दिव्यासनकादयस्ते भवद्विलोकाय विकुण्ठलोकम् प्रपेदिरे मारुतमन्दिरेशम्
मंदिरेश
sorry प्रपेदिरे मारुतमन्दिरेश
very nice so here the meaning we'll see okay so here what again this 11 12 13 is completely deals with this incarnation of Varaha Avataram okay of the Lord as Varaha Avataram as the form of the boar okay so how this avatara came to be so we will see that now in this 11th dashaka okay so first one kramena sarge parivardhamane kadapi divya sanakadayast so now what is happening in the earlier dashakas and all the creation is happening okay so now this gradually this creation is progressing okay yeah so here the creation is happening so creatures are multiplying you know all those things and then in the earlier dashaka there was this four sages okay they are called as the Sanakadaya that is the four sages by the name Sanaka okay what was it Sanaka Sananta Sanadaya okay and Sanat Kumara so these four sages okay these divine sages came from Brahma so what did they do they all went to pay their respects okay and all the others too they went to Vaikuntha Loka to pay their respects to the Lord okay so this is what it is here I'd like to mention about the Jivatmas here okay there are three types of Jivatmas okay one is called as the Baddha Jivatma one is the Mukta Jivatma the other is the Nitya Jivatma there are three types of Jivatmas okay so Baddha Jivatmas are we are all the Baddha Jivatmas okay who is caught between the cycle of birth and death. We are all caught. Why? Because of our karma. So because of our karmas, we are all caught between this cycle of birth and death. Okay. So this is the Baddha Jivatma. This Baddha Jivatma cannot directly go to the Vaikuntha. So what do? We surrender to a Guru, to the Lord. Okay. And this Jivatma, when we realize, when it realizes the truth, okay, the ultimate truth. So what happens? This Jivatma completely surrenders to the Guru and Lord, and it takes the path of light. Okay, it keeps moving towards that path of light. Okay, and it reaches Vaikuntha. Okay, so when it reaches Vaikuntha, it becomes a Mukta Atma. Okay, Mukta Atma means completely a liberated one. Okay, that Atma has become a liberated one. Okay, so this is the Baddha Jivatma and the Mukta Jivatma. Okay, so from Baddha Jivatma, one can lead to the Mukta Jivatma. So one, when goes to the Vaikuntha, is completely liberated. So that is the Mukta Jivatma. But there are some Jivatmas which are already present in Vaikuntha itself. Eternally present in Vaikuntha. Eternally. That is why it is called as the Nitya Atmas. So these Nitya Atmas are like Garuda, Vishwaksena, then Adishesha. They are all Nitya Atmas. Okay. So this is what. So as a Baddha Atma, we cannot go to the Vaikuntha Loka straight away. Okay. So these, here we are saying that the Sanat Kumaras went to Vaikuntha. Okay. So this is not the place where you have all the Mukta Atmas. Okay, this is not that place. This is called as the Karya Vaikuntha. Okay, so he has been there. Sorry, they have been there. Okay, Sanat Kumaras. Sanat Kumaras are the 4 sages who are eternally like small boys. Okay, so this is so this Vaikuntha where they went is the place where all the devas, Brahma, Shiva, all the devas, everybody go and visit Bhagavan over there. Okay. So this is just for information, because here it is said that Sanat Kumaras went to Vaikuntha. So that is where it is, where they go and see the Lord. Okay, so this is what. So finally in this, what did we see? That they are saying that, oh Lord Guruvayurappa, as this creation progressed, as it went on, okay, these divine sages, these were all going on, the creation was going on during that time. These divine sages, the Sanat Kumaras and others, they all went to pay the respects to Bhagavan. They all went to Vaikuntha Loka to pay the respects to Bhagavan. Okay, that is what is there in the first one. Second. Next, who is there? Saraswati ji.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Madam,
Manu,
chapter, madam.
11th one, ma. 11th. Dashakam 11. मनोज्ञनै श्रेयसः काननाद्यैः
मनोज्ञनै श्रेयसः
श्रेयसः यशस् श्रेयसस्काननाद्यैः
मनोज्ञनै श्रेयसः काननाद्यैः.
Very nice. One more time.
मनोज्ञनै श्रेयसः
Shreyasas. If you cannot say that, no problem. Don't. Shreyasa. Yashas. Shreyasa. That is enough. Enough.
Okay.
Enough. No problem.
मनोज्ञनै श्रेय यशः काननाद्यैः.
That's it. अनेकवापि मणिमन्दिरैश्च
अनेकवापि मणिमन्दिरैश्च अनेकवापि मणिमन्दिरैश्च
मणिमन्दिरैश्च
मणिमन्दिरैश्च मणिमन्दिरैश्च.
वेरी गुड. अनुपमं तं भवतो निकेतम्
अनुपमं तं भवतो निकेतम् अनुपमं तं भवतो निकेतम्.
मुनीश्वराः प्रापुरतीतकक्ष्याः.
புறத்தோத்தான் இருக்கு மேம்.
என்னம்மா?
புறத்தோத்தான் இருக்கு. தீத்தா
புறத்தோவா?
புறத்தோத்தா தீத்தா.
அதீத, அதனால பிராபுரதீத.
ஓகே எஸ். முனீஸ்வரா புரதீத கக்ஷ்யா.
मुनीश्वराः प्रापुरतीतकक्ष्याः.
मुनीश्वरा पुरतीतकक्ष्या. मुनीश्वरा
पुरतीत अतीत, मुनीश्वरा प्रापुरतीतकक्ष्याः.
मुनीश्वरा पुरतीतकक्ष्या.
Very nice. Once more. मनोज्ञनै श्रेयसः काननाद्यैः.
मनोज्ञनै श्रेयसस्काननैद्यैः. मनोज्ञनै श्रेयसस्काननाद्यैः.
अनेकवापि मणिमन्दिरैश्च
अनेकवापि मणिमन्दिरैश्च अनेकवापि मणिमन्दिरैश्च.
Again we'll do. मनोज्ञनै श्रेयसः काननाद्यैः अनेकवापि मणिमन्दिरैश्च.
मनोज्ञनै श्रेयस्
काननाद्यैः.
मनोज्ञनै श्रेयस् काननाद्यैः.
Very good.
अनेकवापि मणिमन्दिरैश्च.
Very nice.
मनोज्ञनै श्रेयस्
enough.
मनोज्ञनै श्रेयस्
கனக்கா இல்ல, ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம். கனக்கா கிடையாது, கானநாத்யைஹி.
मनोज्ञनै श्रेयस् काननाद्यैः.
Very nice.
अनेकवापि मणिमन्दिरैश्च.
Very nice. अनुपमं तं भवतो निकेतं मुनीश्वराः प्रापुरतीतकक्ष्याः.
अनुपमं तं भवतो निकेतम्. अनुपमं तं भवतो निकेतम्. मुनीश्वरा पुरतीतकक्ष्या.
Very nice.
मुनीश्वरा पुरतीतकक्ष्या. मनोज्ञनै श्रेयस्
काननाद्यैः.
मनोज्ञनै श्रेयस् काननाद्यैः
Ah,
अनेकवापि मणिमन्दिरैश्च
very nice.
अनुपमं तं भवतो निकेतं मुनीश्वराः प्रापुरतीतकक्ष्याः मुनीश्वराः प्रापुरतीतकक्ष्याः.
Very nice, very nice. Prema ji, can you say?
Namaste, madam.
Ah, namaste.
It is same thing, madam.
Ah, same thing. Manogyane. Ah.
Manojai Shreyasa Kananatyaihi
Hmm.
Anekavapi Manimandiraicha Anupamam tam bhavato niketam Munishvara Puradita Kaksyaha.
Hmm. Very nice, very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll see the meaning here. Manogya. Okay. Okay. So, Atita Kakshaha. Okay. So here they are saying that I'll just tell the basic meaning here. It is that after crossing, okay, or having crossed the ramparts or the fortification or the obstructions, okay, there are 6 ramparts over there, okay, so you have to cross all those, and then these sages, they reached your very beautiful, your unmatched abode, okay. So how was that? That is what they are explaining here. It has the Naishreyasa Kanana. Okay, Naishreyasa Kanana is the beautiful garden which is there in Vaikuntha. Okay. Now here what are there are many lakes. Okay, many mansions, many lakes, all these things are there. And how are they? They are all studded with gems. Okay, they are all studded with gems. Here, that is what they are describing, how this Naishreyasa Kanana is there. So this is the first place where they go. They see this beautiful garden which has got lot of lakes. Many lakes are there, mansions are there, and they are all studded with beautiful gems. Okay, so this is Naishreyasa. It means what? Shreyas. Shreyas is what? Something good that is happening, isn't it? So Naishreyas means which is the ultimate good. So that can be, it is something which is unmatched. It's something very beautiful. Okay, so it is like that, which cannot be compared at all. Okay, so this Shreyas, this goodness, this cannot be compared at all. That is Naishreyas. So that is there. Now, one more thing which my teacher told me, I'm telling you. So here they say that this Vaikuntha has got Sapta Prakaras. Okay, it has got Sapta Prakaras, or the 7 doors are there. This 7 doors represents the 7 chakras of our body. Okay, so this 7 chakras, but here they are saying about the 6 ramparts, isn't it? There are 6 are there, but the 7th one is from where Sanat Kumara and the sages are actually entering. Okay, so that is why they are talking about the other 6. Probably the 7th one is from where they are going. That is where this whole thing is happening. So that is what they are saying here. Okay, so let's just picturize this. So they are going through that. They have already passed through the 6 and they are into the 7th one. Okay, so that is what it is. Right, we'll go to the next one. You just need to visualize this. That's it. It's a beautiful thing. Just need to visualize the whole thing. that Sanat Kumara and everybody are going to meet Bhagavan. And then here there is a, now when they are going, they are going to enter the Vaikuntha. In that, there they just pass through all the 6 ramparts, and then they are going to the 7th one. They are in the 7th one, and there they find this beautiful Naishreyasa garden, which has got lot of lakes, and there are many mansions, and it's all so beautifully, they are all studded with gems. So you just need to imagine that beautiful scene, if you can imagine. Okay. Okay. Now we go to the third part. Who is there, ma? Purna Chandraji, will you be able to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll go to the third one. The pronunciation might be a little difficult, so slowly we will do, no problem. Okay. Bhavad didrikshun bhavanam vivikshun.
Bhavadidrukshun bhavanam vivikshun.
Very nice.
Bhavadidrukshun bhavanam vivikshun.
All of you tell along with Purna Chandraji. Okay. Tell it. Only when you say it loudly, you will all learn it. Otherwise, it will not come. Okay. Purna Chandraji, please continue.
Bhavadidrukshun bhavanam vivikshun.
Vivikshun.
Vivikshun. Bhavadidrukshun bhavanam vivikshun.
Dvasthau jayastan vijayopyarundham.
Dvastau jayastan jayopyarundham. Dvastau jayastan jayopyarundham.
Very nice. Tesham cha chitte padamapakopah.
Tesham cha chitte padamapakopah. Tesham cha chitte padamapakopah.
Sarvam bhavat preranayaiva bhuman.
Sarvam bhavat prerana
Yaiva bhuman.
prerana yaiva. Sarvam bhavat prerana yaiva bhuman. Sarvam bhavat prerana yaiva bhuman.
Very nice. Bhavad didrikshun bhavanam vivikshun. Dvasthau jayastan vijayopyarundham.
Bhavadidrukshun bhavanam vivikshun. Dvastau jayastan jayopyarundham. Bhavadidrukshun bhavanam vivikshun. Dvastau jayastan jayopyarundham.
Very nice. Tesham cha chitte padamapakopah. Sarvam bhavat preranayaiva bhuman.
Tesham cha chitte padamapakopah. Sarvam bhavat preranayaiva bhuman. Tesham cha chitte padamapakopah. Sarvam bhavat preranayaiva bhuman.
Very nice. Bhavat, we did it, no? You tell the two lines together.
Okay. Bhavadidrukshun bhavanam vivikshun. Dvastau jayastan jayopyarundham. तेषां च चित्ते पदमापः सर्वं भवत्प्रेरणयैव भूमन्.
Very nice. Next, who is there?
श्रीदेवी.
Sridevi ji.
भवद्दृदृक्षून् भवनं विवीक्षून् व्यास्त्यौ वास्तौ जयस्तान् विजये युरुन्ताम्. तेषां च चित्ते पदमापगोपः सर्वं भवत्प्रेरणयैव भूमन्.
तेषां च चित्ते पदमापकोपः क ग சொல்லக்கூடாது क
तेषां च चित्ते पदमापगोपः सर्वं भवत्प्रेरणयैव भूमन्.
Very nice. Because க சொன்னோம்னா மறைமுகமாக இருக்கிறதுன்னு அர்த்தம் வந்துரும். ஆனா க வந்து கோபகன்னு சொன்னா கோபம். சோ ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் மீனிங் ரொம்ப டிஃபரன்ஸ். அதனால கொஞ்சம் கவனிச்சு கோபக. ஓகே எவ்ரிவன். Very nice ma. So we'll see the meaning. Tell. No problem. Tell.
भवद्दृदृक्षून् भवनं विवीक्षून् स्वास्थ्यौ जयस्तान् विजयो यरुन्ताम्. तेषां च चित्ते पदमापकोपः सर्वं भवत्प्रेरणयैव भूमन्.
Very nice, very nice. So finally they have come. Okay, they have come to the seventh gate, which was guarded by these gatekeepers Jaya and Vijaya. Okay, so they have come there. Okay, so now these sages are coming there, desiring to see the Lord, isn't it? And they are about to enter his abode. When these two gatekeepers, Jaya and Vijaya, okay, these two gatekeepers, they come and stop them. Okay, they stop them. So, they stop. Now, when they stopped, what happened? Immediately, they are all Munivars only, right? Muni and all. So, immediately some anger. Immediately there was anger in their minds. Okay. The sages were very angry. So now here what they are saying, Tesham sa chitte padamapakopaha. Now anger has entered into their mind. Okay. Into the minds of the sages. Now it has entered. Now what they are saying, Sarvam bhavat preranaya. So it is all these things that are happening. They are all what? It is all because of you only, isn't it? Yes, all these things are prompted by you. So it is not that something is happening. So if something is happening, and that too in the Vaikuntha gate, what can be the only reason? Bhagavan wants it to happen. So because of him only, because you prompted that anger to get into their mind, there was anger in the minds of the sage. That is what Bhattatri is telling. Okay. It is only because you wanted this to happen. That is why this is happening. It is all because of your will that these sages got angry. It is only because of you that Jaya Vijaya stopped them and these sages got angry. Okay, so what are they trying to say? Usually, Vaikuntha is not a place where you will have all these qualities, right? These ripukal, all these things will not be there. Desire, attachment, anger, all these things will not be there. But here the Sanat Kumaras are getting angry. So why are they getting angry? It is only because of you, Lord. It is only because of your will You wanted this to happen. It is only because you prompted this to happen. That is why this is happening. Okay. So that was the purpose of this incident happening. Okay. So that's it in the third one. Okay. Next. Fourth one. Anybody who did not say?
Madam.
Anita ji, will you be able to repeat, ma?
Yes, ma'am, I'm back.
Oh, you're back. Okay, fine. Fourth one. Vaikuntha Lokanu. There's an echo coming, no? For a moment, Anita ji, can you mute? I think there's an echo coming from your side. No.
Yes, ma'am.
Vaikuntha Lokanuchita Pracheshtau. Now you repeat. Now.
वैकुण्ठलोकानुचित प्रतिष्ठचेष्टौ वैकुण्ठलोकानुचित प्रचेष्टौ.
Now mute yourself when I'm telling. Kashtau yuvam daitya gatim bhajetam.
कष्टौ युवान् दैत्यगतिं भजेतं. कष्टौ युवान् दैत्यगतिं भजेतं.
Very nice. Iti prashaptau bhavadashritau tau.
Ma'am, is it Bhavadashra or Shri, ma'am? Shri.
Shri.
Shri. Okay.
Shro is
It is
Bhavadas
Shrayo. Shrayo, it's written here. Bhavadashrayo is what is written with me.
Bhavadashrayau. Okay, make it as Shri only.
Shri. Acha.
Because Bhavat Ashritau. That is enough.
Okay.
Not it. Iti prashaptau bhavadashritau tau.
Iti prashaptau bhavadashriyau tau. Iti prashaptau bhavadashriyau tau.
Harismritirno stritine matustan.
Harismritirnau stviti ne matustan. Harismritirnau stviti ne matustan.
Very
Just once more, ma'am.
Hmm.
Harismritirnau stviti ne matustan.
Very nice. Vaikuntha Lokanuchita Pracheshtau. Kashtau yuvam daitya gatim bhajetam.
वैकुण्ठलोकानुचित प्रचेष्टौ कष्टौ युवां दैत्यगतिं भजेतं. वैकुण्ठलोकानुचित प्रचेष्टौ कष्टौ युवां दैत्यगतिं भजेतम्.
Iti prashaptau bhavadashritau tau. Harismritirno stvidine matustan.
इति प्रशप्तौ भवदाश्रियौ तौ. हरिस्मृतिर्नो स्त्वितिने मतुस्तान्. इति प्रशप्तौ भवदाश्रियौ तौ. हरिस्मृतिर्नो स्त्वितिने मतुस्तान्.
Okay, very nice. 2 lines together.
वैकुण्ठलोकानुचित प्रचेष्टौ कष्टौ युवान् दैत्यगतिं भजेतम्. इति प्रशप्तौ भवदाश्रियौ तौ. हरिस्मृतिर्नो स्त्वितिने मतुस्तान्.
Very nice.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you say the last line?
Don't get confused by that. Bhavadashriyau. Okay.
No, ma'am. Last line. Harismritirno.
Harismritirno Stviti Nematustan.
Titi.
Stviti. Stviti.
It's here written Stivati. Stivati.
Uh-huh.
Sitvata.
Make it like this. Stviti.
Stivati.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Stviti. VI will come. Stviti Nematustan. Okay. Next. After that, Deepti ji.
Yes, ji. I'll say the same thing. वैकुण्ठलोकानुचित्त प्रचेष्टौ कष्टौ युवां दैत्यगतिं भजेतम् इति प्रसक्तो भवदाश्रितौ तौ हरिस्मृतिर्नो स्थितिनेमतुस्तान्.
Very nice. Good. So now, meaning. So now here what is happening? Now these two, now these sages were all angry, right? So when they are angry, immediately what do? They curse. So now same thing happened here also. The sages cursed the what do you call? The Jaya Vijaya, the gatekeepers. Okay. So they cursed. And then what did they say? You cruel ones. Okay. You people, your conduct is not like, it is not befitting. Okay. For people who live in Vaikuntha. So your behavior, your conduct is something which is not fit for people who are in Vaikuntha. Okay. So they are saying your conduct is not befitting for people living in Vaikuntha. So what happened? Both of you are going to become asuras. Okay. So you may be embodied as asuras. So both of these people, Jaya and Vijaya, they are going to become asuras. Okay. So you should become asuras. So immediately what happened? These Jaya and Vijaya, immediately when they thought that they are cursed now and they have to be born as asuras, immediately what happened? They immediately prostrated before the sages. And then they said, and they started begging that even in this asura form, in this asuric body, okay, their devotion to the Lord should not falter. Okay, their devotion to the Lord should not falter. They should always have that bhakti in them. For the Lord, they should always be having, they should be thinking about Him. They should always have His thought in them. Okay, that is what they started telling. Correct only. Okay. So that is what happened. So here what is happening? The two gatekeepers, they were cursed by these sages because sages got angry. And then they said that you are not fit to be in Vaikuntha. So you both should be born as asuras. And they said that immediately these servants they panicked and then they prostrated before these sages, and then they begged that their devotion to the Bhagavan should not be faltered at all. Okay, so they prostrated saying this. Okay, so that is what is the next one, fourth one, fifth one. Next, who is there, ma? After Deepti ji? Kamala ji. तदेतदाज्ञाय भवानवाप्तः
तदेतज्ञानाय भवानवाप्तः तदेत तद् तद्देतदाज्ञा
Correct. Tadetadagnyaya. Tadet.
ज्ञाय
Tat
तद्
etad agnyaya. So that is the actual
तद् okay
split it. Okay. So tadetadagnyaya.
तदाज्ञाय भवा तदेतदाज्ञाय भवानवाप्तः
Very nice.
तदेतदाज्ञाय भवानवाप्तः
सहैव लक्ष्म्या बहिरम्बुजाक्ष.
सहैव लक्ष्म्या बहिरम्बुजाक्ष सहैव लक्ष्म्या बहिरम्बुजाक्ष
खगेश्वरां सार्पितचारुबाहुः.
खगेशवार्सार्पितचारुबाहुः
खगेश्वरां सार्पितचारुबाहुः.
खगेश्वरां सार्पितचारुबाहुः
Very nice.
खगेशवारां सार्पितचारुबाहुः
Should I tell one more time? खगेश्वरां सार्पितचारुबाहुः.
खगेश्वरां सार्पितचारुबाहुः खगेश्वरां सार्पितचारुबाहुः
Very nice. आनन्दयं स्तान् अभिराममूर्त्या.
आनन्दयं स्थानविराममूर्त्या आनन्दयं स्थानविराममूर्त्या
Very nice. तदेतदाज्ञाय भवानवाप्तः सहैव लक्ष्म्या बहिरम्बुजाक्ष.
तदेतदाज्ञा भवानवाप्तः सहैव लक्ष्म्या बहिरम्बुजाक्ष
Very nice.
तदेतदाज्ञा भवानवाप्तः सहैव लक्ष्म्या बहिरम्बुजाक्ष
खगेश्वरां सार्पितचारुबाहुः. आनन्दयं स्तान् अभिराममूर्त्या.
खगेश्वरां सार्पितचारुबाहुः आनन्दयं स्थानविराममूर्त्या खगेश्वरां सार्पितचारुबाहुः आनन्दयं स्थानविराममूर्त्या
Very nice.
तदेतदाज्ञा भवानवाप्तः सहैव लक्ष्म्या बहिरम्बुजाक्ष खगेश्वरां सार्पितचारुबाहुः आनन्दयं स्थानविराममूर्त्या
Very nice. Beautiful. Next. After Kamalaji.
सरस्वती मैम
Tell.
तदेतदाज्ञय भवानवाप्तः सहैव लक्ष्म्या बहिरम्बुजाक्ष खगेश्वरां सार्पित चारुबाहुः आनन्दयं स्थानभिराममूर्त्या.
Very nice. Here, Bahir Ambujaksha. Ambujaksha means the lotus-eyed Lord, isn't it? Mahavishnu is always said that his eyes are very beautiful. It is like the lotus petal. So, Ambujaksha. So, they are saying here, oh lotus-eyed Lord, what did he do? He, knowing what is happening outside, there is so much of commotion which is going outside, right? Cursing and all those things, pleading and everything is going on. So knowing that something is going outside, okay, knowing what was going outside, what did he do? He came outside, okay, he came out. How did he come? He came out along with Mahalakshmi. So he came out along with Mahalakshmi, and then what did he do? And now how he looks. Okay, now he's coming out with Mahalakshmi, and then his arms are resting on Garuda. Okay, Khageshwara. Khageshwara means the lord of the birds. So his hands are resting on Garuda. Okay, so his hands are resting on Garuda, and this beautiful form of the Lord. Okay, when these sages saw him, they were so delighted. Okay, they were so delighted to see. Ananda. So Abhirama Murtiya, this beautiful form, when they saw, these sages were so Anandayan. So they were all so delighted to see his very beautiful form. Okay. So Bhagavan actually, what did he do? He rushed out. For what? To rescue his devotees. Who were the devotees? Jaya and Vijaya. They were his devotees, isn't it? So he came out immediately to rescue his devotees. Okay. So Bhagavan always, like, whenever his devotees are in danger, he immediately comes out. He himself comes out. He himself comes and rescues them, isn't it? So this we have already, you can imagine that what happened in Gajendra Moksham. Bhagavan came, he just, without even, within a split second, what did he do? He immediately got onto Garuda and he just came in front of Gajendra, isn't it? So, to rescue him. So, similarly, here also, when he saw that his devotees were in danger, were in some kind of trouble, immediately what did he do? He came out. So, he came out to rescue them. And seeing his beautiful form, the sages were all very delighted. Okay, so that's in the fifth one. Okay. Let's go for the sixth one. This one will end after the sixth one. Okay, so who is the next one, ma? After Saraswati ji?
Yes, ma'am.
After Saraswati ji, who is there? Sri Devi ji.
Yes, ma'am.
Sixth one. Prasadya garbhi stuvato munindran.
Prasadya kirbis suvate munindra.
Stuvato munindran.
Suvato munindra.
One more time.
Dran.
In.
Okay.
We are splitting the word here.
Prasadya kirbis suvate munindran.
Stuvato munindran.
Prasadya kirbis suvato munindran.
Ananya natha vadha parshadautau.
Ananyanada vadabhashadautau.
Very nice.
Ananyanada vadabhashadautau.
Parshadautau.
Ananyanada vadabhashadautau.
Very nice. Samrambha yogena bhavai stribhirmam.
Samrambha
yogena bhavai stribhirmam.
Samrambha yogena bhavai stribhirmam. Samrambha yogena bhavai stribhirmam.
Upetamityat kripam nyagadihi.
Upetamityat
kripam takripam. Upetamityat उपेतमित्यात्तकृपं न्यगादीः.
उपेतमित्यादकृपं
तकृपं correct. Then
उपेतमित्यादकृपं न्यगादि.
very good. प्रसाद्य गीर्भिस्तुवतो मुनीन्द्रान् अनन्यनाथावथ पार्षदौ तौ.
प्रसाद्य गिर्भिस्तुवते मुनीन्द्रा
स्तुवतो
अनन्य-
मुनीन्द्रान्
प्रसाद्य गिर्भिस्तुवतो मुनीन्द्रा अनन्यनादावदभाषतौ तौ.
very nice. One more time.
प्रसाद्य गिर्भिस्तुवतो मुनीन्द्रा अनन्यनादावदभाषद्यौ तौ.
संरम्भयोगेन भवस्त्रिभिर्माम् उपेतमित्यात्तकृपं न्यगादीः.
संरम्भयोगेन भवैस्त्रिभिर्माम् उपेतमित्यात्तकृपं न्यगादिः.
Very good. 2 lines together.
प्रसाद्य गिर्भिस्तुवतो मुनीन्द्रा अनन्यनादावदभाषद्यौ तौ. संरम्भयोगेन भवैस्त्रिभिर्माम् उपेतमित्यात्तकृपं न्यगादिः.
Very nice. Very nice.
मैडम एक संशय अस्ति
हाँ.
प्रसाद्य कीर्तिभिः नय
प्रसाद्य गीर्भिः.
गीर्भिः है न अस्तु वा
गीर्भिः एव अस्ति अत्र,
अस्ति
किन्तु अनन्तरं सकारः अस्ति किल, अतः एव इस् इति तत्र भवति विसर्गेण.
गीर्भिः
गीर्भिः स्तुवतो मुनीन्द्रान्.
ओके थैंक यू.
वदतु भगिनि.
प्रसाद्य गीर्भिः स्तुवतो
मुनीन्द्रान्
एकवारं प्रसाद्य गीर्भिः स्तुवतो मुनीन्द्रान् अनन्यनाथावद पार्षदौ तौ. संरम्भयोगेन भवैस्त्रिभिर्मा मुपेतमित्यात्तकृपं न्यगादिः.
सम्यक्.
धन्यवाद.
Okay, we'll see the meanings here. Okay, right. So here, now these sages, after seeing the Bhagavan's beautiful Rupam, okay, so they were all very delighted. So immediately what did they start doing? They started singing the stuti of Bhagavan. Okay, so they started praising Bhagavan with very beautiful, pleasing words. Okay, and then okay, now here, after saying this, they are saying that your two attendants, okay, these two attendants, that is Jaya and Vijaya, these two gatekeepers, they have no other refuge, right? Apart from Bhagavan, they have no other refuge. So they, what did they do? They said they will live, they will take the curse what has been given to them. But what did they want? They said that for 3 lives we will take this. Okay, 3 lives as Asuras we will go to earth and we will take the life of Asuras for 3 lives. That is 3 times they will take that. Okay, but in these 3, what should happen? uh, they said that only for 3, because earlier actually according to the story it's like 7 births or something they say, but then they say that we cannot stay for so long, okay, without you. So we want to come back as soon as possible. So they say we will take the form of asuras, and we will take only 3 births. Okay, we will take 3 births, and you have to come and give us this moksham. You have to relieve us of that birth. Okay, so out of compassion, Bhagavan, he grants them the wish. Okay, so he says that okay, that is, he will come, he will himself come and relieve them of that birth. Okay, so that they can attain him again, they can come back to him again. So what is happening, these two, Jaya and Vijaya, they had no other refuge. So what did they do? They, as I told you, that they were ready to spend 3 lives, 3 births as asura on the earth. Okay, so that is what is in this one. Okay, there is nothing much. Then actually here I would like to tell that there are this Sambram, where was that? Sambhrambha Yogena. It is there, isn't it? So this, what is this? It is like you have this Karma Yoga, you have this Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga, all these things are there. There is something called as Sambhrambha Yoga. Okay. Here what happens is, you are always thinking of the Lord, but not as somebody who is a savior or somebody, but you are thinking of him as an enemy. You are always contemplating on this Lord, but you consider him as an enemy of yours. See how, what a ridiculous thing which we have. Okay, you always think of him as an enemy. So that is what we see in all this Rakshasas, whether it is Ravana, whether it is Kamsa, everybody was like what? They were only cursing the Lord, they were only thinking of the Lord as their enemies, isn't it? But what? Continuously they were thinking of the Lord, but they were thinking of him only as an enemy and not as a Lord or something, isn't it? So that is what Jaya and Vijaya actually accepted. It is okay, but we will take the Sambhrambha Yoga. We will keep on contemplating on you, but we will be thinking of you as an enemy. So like that, we will have 3 births. Okay, so that is why they had this 3 births. So this Jaya and Vijaya, they were born as what we are going to learn in this. That is the Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu was the first birth. Second was Ravana and Kumbhakarna in the Treta Yuga. Then they had this Shishupala and Dantavakra. So they were born like that. These were the 3 births of these two, Jaya and Vijaya. Okay, and then they were killed by Lord itself, Lord himself, in the various incarnations. Okay, so that is what. So this was the boon that they had asked. Okay, and Lord had also sanctioned them this boon, and they said that this is how we want to be. Okay, so this was actually a choice which was given to them in actually when they cursed. Okay, the Sanat Kumaras, when they cursed Jaya and Vijaya, so that you should be born on earth, they gave the choice whether you want to be born as saints. Okay, you want to be born as saint, but you will be living for 100 years. Okay, so or 100 birth. So 100 births will be there, but you will have to live as saint and then you can come back. Or you can have 3 births but you will have to live as Asura. Then Jaya Vijaya, immediately what did they do? They chose to be born as Asuras, and they said that we cannot be away from Vaikuntha for very long, so 3 births is enough. We will take this to be born as Asura, and then we will go ahead with the Sambhramba Yoga only. We will treat him as an enemy and we will do it. And then we will come back to Vaikuntha as soon as possible we can. We cannot stay away from the Lord for a very long time. So we choose to be an Asura. So this is there in Bhagavatam actually. Okay. So we will wind up here. Okay, Samapana shlokas. Let me just. Namami Narayana Pada Pankajam Karomi Narayana Pujanam Sada Vadami Narayana Nama Nirmalam Smarami Narayana Tattvam Avyayam Narayana 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 Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayanan Vasudeva Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Tat Sat. We'll meet in the next class.